Hey guys, DC here, and this is my unboxing of the Apple TV 4K second generation. And I know that this video has been a long time coming for you guys who've been following my channel. I went ahead and decided to upgrade my Apple TV that I normally would game on. So for the past how many months, I've been recording my gaming footage on the Apple TV HD, and I came across the Pathless, just the other TV 4K first generation, as I guess the minimal device sort of version to be able to play that game. So after I saw that I couldn't play the Pathless on my Apple TV HD, I went to the 4K second generation. As you may already know, I have the 4K first generation, but just kind of use that for more TV viewing. So I'm just sliding the box top off, and this is what we get inside. So we have the Apple TV Siri remote, 4K second generation remote. I already have one of those. You may have saw my unboxing for just the remote by itself when that came out. That review came out maybe a month or so ago. Now this is the device itself. You can see there on the bottom it does have those little vents for air. That's one thing that the Apple TV HD does not have, is the vents for the air. So aesthetically, the way that it looks slightly different from the HD, but both 4K generations have those little air vents. And now we have just the USB charger for the remote, and now I'm pulling out the power cord. So not much that you get in the box here. Very simple device, power cord, remote, USB charger. But this is just a quick little box and let you know that I upgraded. Little video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. And as always, you can't win if you don't play.